Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a VPN on any iPhone, guys. So this is a very simple tutorial on how you can actually use a VPN on iPhone. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So basically, you're just going to want to go ahead and download a VPN from the App Store, guys. Now, there is a wide selection of VPNs you can select from, and me, myself, I like the Sky VPN, guys. Now, basically, this is one of the most reliable ones as far as I know right now, and basically, this VPN is very useful. So I'm not going to go ahead and press the power on button, but once you actually have your VPN app downloaded, just go ahead and press the power on button and your VPN should start up. Now basically, I'm not going to go ahead and click it right now because an ad will pop up. Most of these VPNs do have ads, but it does let you use the VPN for free. So it's very convenient, it's nice, but right now I'm not going to go ahead and press it. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how else you can actually enable it, guys. So basically, you're just going to want to head over to your settings, guys. Go ahead and click on your settings. And from these settings, guys, you're just going to want to go ahead and click VPN right under your personal hotspot. So go ahead and click VPN, and then all your VPNs should be right under here, guys. Now you guys can see I have Shadow Rocket and Sky VPN, which is the VPN I am currently using right now. Now basically, I like to use it this way because it helps prevent all the ads from coming up and stuff. It's just as simple as clicking the connection button right here and letting it connect, and you guys can see it is now connected, guys. So that's pretty much how you go ahead and do that, guys. It's very easy and simple, and I find it a lot more convenient because it doesn't give you any ads. So hopefully you guys found this video extremely helpful, guys, and if you guys haven't already, leave a like on the video, guys, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you found this video helpful. With that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.